So what we're experiencing today is a sense of bringing two utter strangers, which is who we often meet on dating, a sense of ourselves fully embodied, a sense of ourselves as central, of perhaps approaching people from this more full, holistic state. The conventional dating world is not holistic. It's very linear, it's very mental. It's like, does this person make sense on paper? Are they acting right? Are they texting back in the right amount of time? Oh my God. Not that that stuff isn't fun. Texting game is fun, but you see how that is superseding, becoming more important than, do I just want to hang out? Does it feel good to just breathe together on this state? Does my body feel comfortable with them? How about a little touch before we know if we want to get to 60? So Tantra includes a lot of things. This is a taste this afternoon of a certain part of it. I do this workshop monthly. Some people here have been here before. And the content of it is different. Each time we practice at the beginning coming into our bodies, but then we have different exercises each month so that you can continue, if you choose to continue to learn more of a sense of how could I bring this with me. If this has been helpful to you, I'd like to offer you that you can come back here. I have a full YouTube channel where I should have told you at the beginning, we're only filming me, not anybody else. So these go on YouTube. I have lots of YouTube videos. I have a mailing list here. I have, any way I can help you, I'd be happy to. I also speak once a month for free in Santa Monica. So if this tantric approach is interesting to you, I'd like to help you expand more that way. So, so please sign for and I have a newsletter that comes out once a month, so it's not gonna be bugging you on your email list. If you don't want that, please sign up for that. Anything else you'd like to share? Yes. We're going to do a final exercise, but yes.
Can you talk more about that event that you speak at?
The event that I speak at in Santa Monica is sponsored by a matchmaking service, so it's a little more conventional dating. We don't do so many exercises, but it's more like on, it's still from my perspective, which is a tantric perspective, but like last time I was teaching text game, because I also, what I haven't talked about here is I also studied pickup with pickup artists. So I have an interesting, lot of things I learned on that. So I teach more of the dating structure and how to be more like on how do you go online, what's the best structure for dates, all kinds of more conventional stuff, but always from my own tantra perspective. Always from the standpoint of, even if this isn't my beloved, we can still love each other in this moment. That is always what I feel is missing in contemporary dating, is it's teaching us to try to find love by becoming less and less and less loving. And I believe that's why we're not finding partners. So if we develop ourselves more and more as lovers, we come to the frequency of love, and love can't resist us. And that was my journey, because the men I was attracting didn't love me a whole lot back, and I had to realize I'm the common cause in that. And I'm going to raise my own frequency. I'm going to use dating as a spiritual path to become a more loving person. And every person I meet, I'm going to do my best to love them, see what's in my way, why I don't like them, why I don't love them as a fellow human. And I'm only going to spend an hour with them at a coffee date. How can I see what's in my way of loving this person? And as I continue to develop myself as a lover, my true love showed up. So I teach, we expand, we raise our own frequency until love can't resist us. My frequency before could attract people, but it attracted people who loved me halfway, and I was a halfway lover. I didn't know that, but my life reflected that. So this is a process that I teach of continuing to develop ourselves, see what's in our own way of fully experiencing pleasure, joy, love, and then pleasure, joy, and love can't resist us, and it's there for us because we live in that frequency.